Hi everyone, Jamie here, Oceanside Library's Technology Coordinator and Librarian. In this first video about OverDrive, I will be going over how to log into OverDrive and how to search. OverDrive is where you can access eBooks and audiobooks online using your library card. So first you'll want to open up a web browser and come to oceansidelibrary.com. From the home page, there's a link to Oceanside 24/7, 365, and you'll click on that link there. Once on the page, you will find the OverDrive icon and click on that icon. You will then be brought into the Nassau Digital doorway. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on Sign In. You're going to select your library from the drop-down. So click on the drop-down and scroll to Oceanside. And then you'll enter your library barcode number. And hit Sign In. And once you are signed in, you'll see it says My Account up here. You will be able to search through all of the ebooks and audiobooks, and there's a few different ways to search through them. You can either click on the search bar right up here, and you can type in a title, an author, and it will give you some suggestions. So let's say and if I hit enter, if the ebook or audiobook is available in our holdings, you'll see it show up right away. If not, it'll usually say that either we don't have it, or it'll give you some suggestions for other related titles or topics. So that's one way to search, using the search bar. Once you've typed something in, you can also narrow down your search a little bit to titles that are available now, the format, whether you just want some ebooks or audiobooks. Another way to search is if you click on the Subjects tab over here, you can browse by subject. And so it gives you all of these fiction and nonfiction subjects that you can click on any one, and it'll give you things based on that subject. You can either browse all formats, browse ebooks only, or browse audiobooks only. And then another way to search is by clicking on the collections drop down. It gives you things like available now, most popular, try something different, and it'll suggest different books for you based on already curated collections. And you'll see there's a separate spot for ebooks and a separate spot for audiobooks. If you are looking specifically for Kindle books so that you can read on your Kindle, you can click on the Kindle Books tab, and it'll narrow down to things that are formatted for the Kindle, to work with the Kindle, because not everything is formatted to work with the Kindle. So you can narrow down that you want to see just what you can read or listen to on your Kindle, and it gives you those options. And again, you can just kind of play around and see what you like, what's available now, what's coming soon, the type of audience it's suited for, all sorts of little different ways to narrow your search down. So that is the quick how-to on logging into OverDrive from your web browser and searching through the holdings for ebooks and audiobooks. In the next video, I will be discussing how to borrow those books, how to place a hold, and how to either send the titles to your Kindle or open them in your browser.